Hello and welcome to your maintenance kit for LuckyDog customers getting Playcraft playground equipment. Once we're done installing your playground, your installer will give you this handy maintenance kit in this sturdy box. The contents of the kit is what we'll go through now. It has a picture of your playground that we installed, and it has touch-up paint for each of the primary colors that you have on your playground. This one is green, blue, and has white uprights. The instructions for using touch-up paint, as well as this PVC repair, and these warning signs that should be on your playground are all in this maintenance manual. This has some scheduled times for you to pull maintenance on your equipment. It should be everything you need to get you started. What I really like is this handy tool container, and it has tamper-proof nuts and bolts for just about everything on your equipment, including an Allen wrench for using these tamper-proof bolts. You can't buy these in a store. We even have some Loctite in here, and when these run out or you wear out your Allen wrench, you can always order more. Now, if your playground is something that you inherited and you do not have the playground maintenance kit, you can order a new one by calling your LuckyDog Playground Creative Play Designer at 1-800-388-2196. Thank you for your time. Have a fantastic day. See you on the playground.